Many times we have these goals and these dreams of things that we want to accomplish, but oftentimes we talk ourselves out of being as successful as we can be. We make excuses like, I don't have enough money, I'm tired, I got a full-time job, or I don't have any support, or I don't know how to do it. We make all kinds of excuses why we can't do something. And I seen a quote this week that said, dreams only work when you do. So you can't just sit there and keep talking about what you want to do. You have to put some action behind it. So the difference between like someone who is successful, a superstar, and someone who's stagnant is the fact that someone who really wants it, they find a way to make it happen no matter what. So nothing is going to stand in their way. So this week, I really want you all to stop talking about what you can't do and why you can't do it, and find a way to just do it. Make your gutsy goals, make your plans, identify who can help you, implement the strategies that we've been discussing on DMV opportunities. When you start complaining, ask yourself these questions. Have you gone to any of the meetups that we've talked about, especially the one on the fourth Thursday of every month in Greenbelt? And have you actually talked to people and made connections? Have you secured yourself a mentor or a coach? Do you plan on coming to the free workshop? Have you made any of those things a priority? If you haven't taken full advantage of all the opportunities that you've been hearing on DMV opportunities, then stop complaining about why you don't have any deals in DC, why you don't have anybody to help you, why you can't get out there and get it done. Because we have given you several opportunities and strategies to be successful in DMV. We invest here because we live here. Yep. I was born here, raised here. All right, no excuses. Get it done.